Hi everyone, I am Md Shamrat Miah and I am greetings to everyone for joining my channel. Welcome to my channel, Our Technical School. So now, um, today I'm going to discuss to everyone about a repository and how can we add a repository and check the repository and how can it will help us to access, update or upgrade through our repository. So for these things, we need to open our Kali Linux. So this is my Kali Linux. So I will do something. I am going to write some instruction on my Kali Linux environment. So IDE. So what I'm doing right now that I'm going to write cd backslash etc backslash then apt, and after I write these things, so I'm in now my repositories section. So how can I know that where is my repository in here? After I write in here change directories throw etc and then apt. So if I write in here ls, then I will get a few folders with a list file, which one is mentioned with sources.list. So I need to check this. I need to go in here. So how can I go in there? Before I go in there, so I need to go to Google, and in Google I'm writing here Kali Linux repository list, and here by this way we'll get our Kali Linux official repository list in a page. So the default network repository value, here is a code, so we can take it like this way. We can copy this, and just a second that I'm showing you to everyone that if you are you are going to add this command on your Kali Linux as a repository, uh, as a a new line or new repository line, then it will help you for your update or upgrade on your system. So if you want to do update or upgrade in your system, that time this instruction will help you. So this is called default network repository value. So when you are thinking to configure your networks uh, networks functions through update and upgrade, that time this command will help you. So this command should be mentioned with your repository. And when sometimes you are going to update and upgrade through your Kali Linux command, so that time if sometimes you will get error message, so because of you don't have your right repository command repository statement, which one is not mentioned through your um, through your resources, through your sources list. So you have to definitely add those repository values in your uh, sources list. Okay, so like this way it will work. So if I'm doing to maintain this command like this way, that paste selection, and if I'm writing in here enter, Then this repository output has already executed. We are seeing this now, and this is the same line, db http, and the last few words like as non-free firmware. So that is very similar. I think not very similar, it is the same 100% same output what I got now, like as uh, this one. Okay, so it will help you for update and upgrade. Here is few more repository like as switching Kali main branch, so Kali rolling, Kali last snapshot. So this Kali rolling and Kali last snapshot, those are another repository commands. So if you like, you can also include this to your sources list, and the Kali rolling will help you that you know that when you are doing trying to do update or upgrade to your Kali Linux or any distro like is Fedora or Ubuntu, that time Kali Linux has a lots of package, and the lots of package has their own inventor. So when a developer or inventor, when they're trying to develop their tool, so you will get the development features through this Kali rolling. Okay, so it will make 100% sure those update or upgraded tools are really very much compatible with your Kali Linux version. Okay, so when a developer is doing develop their own tools, then it need to be 100% sure that your Kali Linux or your Linux distro are compatible with those updates. So that's why the Kali rolling is very important. And if and here is Kali last snapshot, point release some more stable and the safest. Okay, and there is enabling Kali additional branches, and those all are of our repository. Those will help to update when you are going to update or upgrade to your Kali Linux. Default offline install values, those are another repository. Non-Kali repositories, so there are the lots of repositories, and those lots of repositories, their own works are different from one each another, and you have to be decided that which one you are taking through, which one you are taking as your mention to work. Okay, so I'm going to make my Kali Linux. So here I already executed a repository, which one was default repository. So this one will help me um, to update and upgrade. Okay, so I need to be go my source list now. Before I go to source list, I can check my folders through my Kali environment. Here is source list. So our all works will have to be due through this sources list. So I am going to read this sources list like this way: cd, then empty, then sources list. Oh, sorry. So I can write in here like this way actually. Sources list. Sorry, actually, I think I'm doing something wrong in here. Um, Okay, if I write in here like this way that cat, yeah, because I cannot access through directly by using cd, because the source list is not mentioned as the folders like as others. So it's a different type of file, so I have to be use cat. So uh, after I use cat command, so writing the path for access. So it should be etc slash apt, then sources list. So you are now able to see in here that I have I have my executed uh, repositories command already. So which one I executed before, those one has already mentioned inside my sources list. So like this way you can execute your mentioned your uh, which one you want to work on your linux. You have to be execute fast, and then that will be included, that will be included by itself. Or one thing you can do, if you want to do, you have for the things you need to go through your root user, and after that you have to be go inside your sources list, and you have to be write that repositories instructions, and after that repositories instructions you have to be save and then exit. So how can we do that? I will show you now. I'm going to there now. So at this moment I'm going to throw my root user mode, sudo su, and my password. So I'm now in my root mode. So again, so I need to go on sources list. So I need a command that is nano, and then I have to write as my wanted file. So here is my sources list. So I write already in here. So when I am doing enter, so this page has already come to me, and it is showing me that the deb http, this this repository, which one I was doing work just before 1 minute ago, that one has already included to my sources list main page. So like this way also we can add in here, because you will get a paste selection from here like this me. Okay, like this me. So you can do that. And after you do that, you need to be to save. But there is another very important note, is that if you're going to work with your repositories, different type of repositories through your sources list, then you need to be transform your normal user to your root user, because this one is only accept through um, through the root users, not the normal users. So we are in root users, so we don't have a problem. So just need to be write a command in here like this way, control o, and then you need to press enter. So wrote 8 lines, so that's everything. So like this way we can execute our repositories commands through our command line, and then it will include automatically, or otherwise we can open this main page for add new repository commands through through sources list. So for that things, this page is for that type of work, and after that you have to be safe, like as control O, that means safe, and then you can escape. Just simply put on control and X. So like this way actually we can do add repository, and then we'll get our demanded works, demanded update and upgrade, properly update and upgrade through this Kali Linux. So we'll get that very soon. Now if I'm doing it here, that um, sudo apt, and after, what will happen then? Sorry, just a second. um okay, apt get, then I need to write in here update. Sorry. So my update process is now processing, and it will take only for a few seconds. Okay, so everything is okay, but here you will get a few w, so that's mean a warning that few features I installed or execute two times. And then I will going to show you now how to upgrade. So that's very easy. Sudo apt, then sorry. Okay, if I'm writing here like this way, I'm going to back my normal user mode, and okay, if I'm writing here in here like this, sudo apt full upgrade. Okay, so it is showing me that there is nothing to be upgrade or update at this moment, because before this video sessions I made already my upgrade. So that's why I think it is showing to us that there is nothing about for upgrade or update. So like this way we can add our repository um, to our sources list, and through the sources list you will get everything access for only upgrade and update. So like this way actually, if you trying, if you try want to try to your home, so it will be make you more better understanding view from this better than from this video, because practical will makes you perfect. So don't forget about to do this. So I hope that everyone will get very good clear view from my video lessons from today's, and I hope that everyone who is watching my video at this moment, they will try at home and will get benefit from my video. Thank you very much.